Everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to the part 1 of our MySQL series. In this video, we are starting from the basic. What is the MySQL is, how it works, and how you can set it up to manage real databases. Whether you are beginner or just brushing up, this is the perfect place to start. Let's start our video. MySQL. MySQL is one of the most widely used open source relational database management systems that uses a simple client server model to assist the user in managing relational databases or the data stored in rows and columns across the tables. It makes use of the well-known query language, that is structured query language SQL, which enables the user to conduct all code operations, means creating, reading, updating and deleting. MySQL is a open source relational database management system. It is used to store, organize and retrieve data efficiently using the structured query language. It is one of the most powerful databases in the world, I can say, widely used in websites, applications and data-driven platforms, including Workplace and Facebook and many more. And its key features are it is a open source, uses SQL to manage and query data. It is fast, reliable and scalable, supports large databases and multiple users, works well with the PHP, Python, Java and many other languages. As we using the SAM, it is important to know the information about it. Firstly, I will expand the XAMPP. Means its full form is X means the cross platform, A means the Apache, M means MySQL, the database, and P means PHP, the scripting language, and last P is for Perl. It is another scripting language. XAMPP is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution stack built by Apache friends, which consist mostly of the Apache HTTP server, MariaDB or MySQL database, and interpreters for PHP and Perl, practical extraction and reporting languages scripts. As the most real world web server deployment share the same component as SAM, moving from a local test server to a live server is simple. SAM is a free and open source local server package that allows you to run PHP and MySQL based web applications on your own computer. Next, PHP-MyAdmin. PHP-MyAdmin is a free and open source MySQL and MariaDB administrator tool. It has become one of the most popular MySQL administration tools, especially for web hosting services as a portable web applications developed mostly in PHP. PHP-MyAdmin is a web-based tool written in PHP that allows you to manage MySQL or a MariaDB database using a graphical interface instead of writing SQL commands manually. It's come with bundled with the SAM, so you can use it right after setting up your local server. Now we'll move to the PHP MySQLi functions. First one is MySQLi Connect. The MySQLi Connect function opens a new connection to the MySQL server. It has 6 parameters. Most of the times, first 4 are used. The syntax for MySQLi Connect is first host, username, password, database name, port, and the socket. Now we will see the example. First, we have to start Apache as well as MySQL because we are working with the database. Here I will give the heading as example on MySQL. Connect. Next, here I will start with PHP. Here I will give one connection variable. Here I will give the MySQLi connect, and in the parenthesis we have to give the parameters as host, username, password and database. First I will give the host name as localhost, comma the user means root. I will show you where I am getting this. Password is empty by default in XAMPP, and our database name, we have to create the database. For now I will give her name as example DB. Okay, this is our connection query, and now we will check if the connection is happening or not. Here I will pass that on variable in the if statement. It has to print that connected successfully. Next, in else part I will give the echo statement as connection failed. And it has to give an error as MySQL connect error. Now I will save this. First we execute and let's see. As my example.php is saved in SAM htdocs in January folder. Here you can see it is our heading, and it is giving a warning that MySQLi connect the unknown database example_db. Now we create the database localhost /php myadmin. Here you can see this is PHP-MyAdmin. Now we have to click on the new button to create the database. Here I will give the name as example_db. Next I will create the database. Here you can see our database name, or else click on the server and database. Here you can see example_db. If you want to drop this table, you can click on the checkbox, and after that click on the drop button. For now we only want to create the database. Now here I will refresh this. Here you can see connected successfully. Now I will explain what's happening. If the connection is successful, then you can now run your queries. If the connection is failed, then you get an error message using MySQLi connect error. What is MySQLi_connect_error? I will explain. It's a PHP function that returns a description of the last connection error. If the MySQLi connect function fails, It is helpful for debugging and understanding why your database connection didn't work. Now we go to I will explain the what is these parameters that we passing. Here you can see the host specifies the host name or an IP address. Next parameter is username, specifies the MySQLi username that here we are giving it as root, the username. Next, the password specifies the MySQL password. Uh, in XAMPP it is by default empty. Next one is DB name, database name. Specifies the default database to be used. That in our example we are given the database name as example underscore DB. Next, the port and the socket is optional. Port specifies the port number to attempt to connect to the MySQL server. Next, socket specifies the socket or named pipe to be used. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, then please subscribe and give the comments below. Thank you for watching.